Dear Mr. President, my name is Kabiru Saidu Dakata, and I'm sending this message as an ordinary Nigerian who is not pleased with the way things are going in this country. With due respect, Mr. President, sir, from 2002 when he joined partisan politics, up to 2015 when he became the president of the country, you made us to believe that the past three presidents were anti-masses. That made us not to appreciate any policy or program they implemented. Throughout that period, Mr. President, you had empathy for the plight of the Nigerian masses. Specifically, Mr. President, in 2011 in Abuja, you had to shed tears in lamenting the problems confronting this country. Mr. President, it is a common belief today in Nigeria that life is currently far more expensive than during the times of the three past presidents you made us to uphold. Prices of essential commodities have gone up. Food is becoming unaffordable by a majority of Nigerians. Fuel price has increased by about 80% during your time. Electricity tariff has gone up. Naira has lost its value, Mr. President. Mr. President, your policies are not working. Your team members are not performing. You need to use the remaining 2.5 years to reflect on some of the key economic promises you made during your campaigns in 2015 and 2019. To the other key stakeholders, especially the NLC and other pro-democracy civil society movements in the country, shame on you. You have compromised the genuine ideals of the struggle. You have betrayed the voiceless Nigerians. Unless you do the needful now, you will be on the wrong side of the history. It is high time to tell the leaders in this country that enough is enough. We are ready for any legally allowed action. We will avail ourselves and mobilize others for that. Thank you.